So did you know, if you're one of my foreign viewers, that you can have subtitles on in your own language? So the way that you have to do it is press CC, and that will turn the subtitles on, and that will come into English because that's the default setting. But then you need to press the cog icon and go up to subtitles auto generated, and then auto translate, and then you can pick your language. I'm going to pick French because I've been speaking online with one of my French viewers. Press French, and if we play the video, hopefully that is in French.
But it will also fit the 20 watts.
Then we'll stop that and let's do German. So if we go to auto translate German and play that, hopefully some of my German viewers can confirm that is playing in German. So although I haven't found a way yet to convert the audio, let's just stop this. So although I haven't found a way to convert the audio at the moment, I'm sure that will come. At least you can have the subtitles on in your own language. I really hope that helps you to enjoy my videos and get the value from them that you've come to expect from my videos. That's Andy, as ever, wishing you a good afternoon and continue making some happy smoke. Thanks for making it to the end of my videos. If I've earned your respect and your trust, perhaps you would consider subscribing to my channel. It really does make a massive difference. And maybe you would like to watch some of the videos popping up on the screen now. Let me know what you think. Cheers for now.